kijkers, welkom bij onze nieuwe aflevering van ons TBN-programma Zeg het maar. Op 7 augustus zullen de SIWA-groep, genaamd Surinamese Indian Women Association, het all-female Ramlila presenteren. Wat het allemaal inhoudt en wat zij allemaal zullen doen, zal mevrouw Dr. Ruchi Gupta zelf aan jullie vertellen. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
It's an honor to have us in our program, Just Say It. To translate Zeg het maar into English is Just Say It. It's an honor to have us. Before we just go into talk about Ramlila, we first want to know who is Ms. Ruchi Gupta?
So Ruchi Gupta, basically I'm a doctor, I'm a dentist professionally, and I've been working for a long time in my field, as well as being a spouse of a diplomat. So I continued my work in that field also. I worked for the UN also, so when we were posted back in Vienna. So I have a lot broader aspect as compared to only sticking with my dentistry. Other than that, during course of the whole scene, the whole process of our diplomatic life, I felt that there is more to do and more to do about the work of as an Indian spouse, Indian ambassador spouse, or to do something special for the cultural as well as the bonding of the nation where we are posted, as well as the India relation. Okay. So so till now for the Suriname, it's been a good, almost we completed our 2 years.
Okay.
So
and how long is the post?
Normally it is a 3 years.
It's a 3 years post.
But
okay.
after 2 years, it's depend on the how the things move on. Yeah.
Okay. First, we just want to say that we're honored to have you. That is one of those. And second, you have a group called SIWA Group.
Yes.
And that is just because of you invented it to start with it. So first we go that we're actually starting and having a program on 7 August. We first want to know what does SIWA stand for and what do they do actually?
So SIWA, when I came to Suriname, I had this thing that what exactly there is so much the culturally we are so much connected with the India, so I thought of making a women association, Surinamese Indian Women Association. So is the name itself says, if you are a Surinamese Indian descendant, then you are part of this women association, or you can be part of, you can come and join this group. So anyone, any age group, whoever would like to join, they can join it. The main purpose of making the Surinamese Indian Women Association to bring all the ladies who have the interest in continuing their ethnicity, as well as their deep-rooted culture, what they might have seen in their Aji Abba, and they saw it ki those traditions which are now slowly getting diminished. So just to restore them, or just to celebrate that Indian in Surinamese people, that's why I thought of making this Surinamese Indian Women Association. And above all, I always felt that any house, the strength is the female. Okay. Of course, So whatever the house moves on, उसको बनाए रखने के लिए, उसको संभाल के रखने के लिए, उसको बांध के रखने के लिए, the energy is needed by the female. So I thought that female should be celebrated, the woman should be celebrated, and that's why I thought of making this a women association.
Okay. And how many members does this organization have?
It's almost 50 members, 50 registered members. But other than that, there are many people who want to join it, but then we come across and other people, it needs somebody who is already a member needs to introduce the member.
Like,
yeah,
that
yeah. And it is there is no registration fees, it's absolutely free, there is nothing, no money is involved in that. So it is absolutely free. It's just that the people should know whom they are bringing and making a part of a association. That's the thing.
And for this organization, is it that any ethnic group can join in, or is it just the Indians that can join in?
Actually, it is just the Indian.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Okay.
should have at
To
least
celebrate
one
them.
parent
Okay.
or grandparent who
Who
has
is
the
Indian
Indian.
NC. Okay, great.
So that's the main rule. Not a set rule, but yes, that is the main purpose of making it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we'll talk about SIVA. We talk about that is just the short form of Surinamese Indian Women Association. I know that this organization already had a few programs that they did. Can you tell us about it and what was the idea about it? Why did you came across with the Indian Bazaar? Why did you did all female Ram Leela already? Why the idea to come up with these kind of programs?
So when we started, I think our first thing what we did was the Indian Bazaar, and we did it at the Culture Center. And I'm very sure that the audience must be knowing about the Indian Culture Center, because whomsoever I get connected, they are some way connected with the Indian Culture Center.
Yeah.
Either they went for the yoga or for the music or for the dance class. Somewhere they were all connected. So we did that, and that was our first program, in which we did the cultural day. The whole day there was a cultural day, and there was a whole dancers, music from the cultural students who were former students in that Indian Bazaar, and it brought broader aspects of what SIVA is going to do. And later on we thought of जैसे हम लोग हमेशा बोलते हैं कि इंडिया के दो चीज़, खान पान और पहनावा पे ज़्यादा है. सो खान पान हमने बाज़ार से किया था, और फिर पहनावे पे वी डिड अ ट्रेडिशनल एंड हैंडलूम फैशन शो. सो दैट वाज आल्सो डन टू ब्रिंग आउट व्हाट ऑल द टेक्सटाइल एंड द हैंडलूम्स वी हैव इन इंडिया, एंड उसको लेके शोकेस करके. एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, हाउ डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ कैरिंग दोज थिंग. जैसे हम साड़ी हर कोई बोलते हैं, बट हाउ डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ ड्रेपिंग इट एंड what different textile what we go on, वो हमने textile and handloom show में एक glimpse दिया था. And then we did subsequently all women Ram Leela. This all women Ram Leela is like a much it's my dream project. I would say I really wanted to do that, कि something with all women appreciated. And then we did recently we did the sari drape workshop. कि हाउ टू टाई द साड़ी एंड हाउ टू डू इट, बिकॉज वी नो यहाँ पे जब मैं आई सुरीनाम में, सो ड्यूरिंग द ट्रेडिशनल एंड हैंडलूम फैशन शो में आई रियलाइज everybody get it stitched sari because it's difficult, or maybe they don't know how to do it. So then I thought ki nahi, we should have a workshop, because there are 109 ways of tying a sari across the India, but of course we chose 4 most popular because of the time constraint and everything. And then we got it ki हाँ हमें ऐसे tie करना है साड़ी, and it came out quite successful, and the people really enjoy it. And so yes.
Okay. And to come for the program that we have on 7th August.
Yes.
It's called All Female Ram Leela. Why All Female Ram Leela?
So as I just said that it's my dream project, and what happened when we see the Ram Leela, और हम जब यहाँ पे आए थे, then I saw many places they do Ram Leela, yeah, and they do it in a very authentic way, as it used to be. अब तो इंडिया में it's more of a stage and everything. Earlier it used to be in open ground in India. तो रामलीला जब हुआ तो उसमें पहले के समय में अर्लियर इट यूज्ड टू बी दैट द फीमेल पार्ट्स इज आल्सो डन बाय मेल्स. मेल्स सीता बनते थे, मेल्स ही सारा सुर्पनखा, मंदोदरी और सभी का चीज़ करके वो लोग करते हैं. So I had this thing कि why not, if that could be done, why not we as a women association, why can't we bring a Ram Leela and all the parts are done by females. It is more to show the strength and how much the females' creativity and the cultural attachment they have, and how their creativity as well as their confidence means वो भी बहुत कुछ कर सकती हैं, तो उनको क्यों उसमें नहीं लाया जाए, सिर्फ इसलिए था. So there was nothing like कोई, I'm not going against any tradition or something, but I want to bring the tradition together with the strength of females. So that was the whole idea of doing all women Ram Leela and giving a very different aspect of Ram Leela, that the Ram Leela can be beautifully expressed.
जी.
That is the whole purpose.
Okay. And अगर रामलीला की बात करें तो रामलीला तो 4 घंटे नहीं कर सकते
नहीं.
क्योंकि हर संडे पे आते हैं ना डेली सोप पे रामलीला तो 1-1 घंटे के एपिसोड होता था. But that is not what we can actually do on a stage wise, because we can't keep the audience for 4 hours. So what are the characters, what are the subsequences that we are actually going to have? What are the parts that we are going to show in this Ram Leela?
So राम लीला जैसे कि आपने बोला कि ऑफ कोर्स इतना लंबा तो नहीं कर सकते, एंड वी कैन नॉट डू इट लाइक कि आज हमने एक पार्ट किया फिर एक हफ्ते बाद फिर से कर रहे हैं. So we made it short. Okay. So we tried to make it ki 1.5 hours. Okay. Mein the whole Ram Leela is depicted. Though we are going to take the major parts of it. जो चीज़ों के बगैर राम लीला होने से वैसे तो किसी भी अध्याय को हम हटा नहीं सकते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी हमने सोचा जो जो हो सकते हैं मेन पार्ट्स हैं. राम विवाह होना ही होना है, बालकांड होना ही होना है, हनुमान जी को आना ही आना है, रावण का होना है,
लंका को जलाना है.
तो वो सारे पार्ट्स को लेके ही है. तो जो भी मेजर पार्ट्स हैं और वो सारे चीज़ें हमने रख के उसको किया. एंड नॉट ओनली वी मेड इट, इट्स गोइंग टू बी मोर ऑफ अ म्यूजिकल रामलीला, म्यूजिकल एंड जिसमें आपको डांस भी देखने को मिलेगा, और भी जो हमारे वे ऑफ फॉर्म्स है उसको देखने को, एंड ऑफ कोर्स द क्रिएटिविटी इज गोइंग टू बी देयर.
And in all of this, who is the choreographer behind it?
So the choreographer, as Siva always collaborate with the Indian Culture Center, Swami Vivekanand Culture Center, जो कि एम्बेसी का ही पार्ट है, एम्बेसी ऑफ इंडिया का.
जी.
So उसमें हमारी डांस टीचर हैं अमली चितांगन, एंड सो शी इज़ डूइंग द डांस का उनके ही कोलैबोरेशन के साथ में. So that's how we are going.
And how many participants are there for the Ram Leela? And is it that only the dance students are performing, or is this the collab of everybody, Sivaka with ICCR, with people from outside? How was it all about?
So initially जब शुरू किया था तो ये सोचा गया था कि only the Siva member, but then I felt कि क्योंकि हम collaborate करते हैं ICC से, तो उनके students, so it's always the Siva members with the SVCC students, as well as we were quite surprised to see the students जो आ रहे थे उनकी parents भी उसमें involve हुए उतने ही actively. So it was open for all who wanted, but of course the priorities went from Siva members till SVCC students. So that is how we made it.
And how many participants are doing Ram Leela?
There are almost 30 participants.
30 participants,
yeah.
Wow.
And
so each and everyone have a part.
Yes, absolutely. Okay. And we made sure कि जिसका part है वो बहुत ही clearly visible हो. Okay. Even if they are coming for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, they are well seen.
Well okay. And people can understand कि ये उसका part
है. Absolutely. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. And the program is on 7th August.
Yeah, 7th August.
It's a Friday?
Friday.
No, it's a Friday.
It's a Friday.
Yeah, it's a Friday.
It's a Friday.
And what is the time? Tell me the information. What is the time? Where is it? Should people buy a ticket? Is it free of cost? Tell me the information.
So the program is absolutely free, and it's on Friday. The entry comes, walk-in is at 6:30, and the program starts with the 7. Of course, it's a first come first seated thing.
Okay.
And last time we did it in SVCC, but the thing was ki we realized, and we kept the registration because they have a sitting
capacity.
Barrier. Yeah. So
it's max 100, I think.
Yeah. I think 200. Yeah. So still we exceeded to that number. But then we realized that the next Ram Leela we have to do it on a much bigger space and open space. So we got it. We are thankful to Mata Gauri, and so they had given us the space. So we are doing it at the Mata Gauri on 7th August, and it starts at 7, and we'll make sure that it starts on time. So please walk in. It's at 6:30.
Okay.
Do bring your kids. You do bring your family members. Everybody to enjoy this all women Ram Leela.
And It's free of cost. That's
Yes,
for sure. And there is
absolutely.
parking.
Yes, there is a
This
free
good.
parking also.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
there is a parking also, and Mata Gauri has a ample of space for the parking, so parking won't be an issue.
Okay.
Uh,
Perfect. And to come with Ram Leela, why is it important to showcase Ram Leela? Why is it important for people to know about the Ramayana? Not Ram Leela, we call it Ram Leela,
Yeah.
but to know about Ramayana.
आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि लाइफ में एक बार रामायण ज़रूर सबको पढ़नी चाहिए, और रामायण अगर आप पढ़ नहीं सकते हैं तो देखनी ज़रूर चाहिए, क्योंकि वो हमें बहुत चीज़ें सिखाता है। वो जितना हमें एक आइडियल राम को दिखाता है, एक आइडियल पर्सन अ मेल शुड बी, जिसको हम क्राइटेरिया देते हैं, उसके साथ साथ वो हर उस इंसान का भी दिखाता है कि कितनी धैर्यवान सीता भी थी जब वो वाटिका में रहीं, कितना डेडिकेशन हनुमान जी में था, जिन्होंने अपना जो उनका डेडिकेशन टूवर्ड्स राम था वो था, कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग एक सब कुछ नॉलेज होते हुए भी जो रावण था, बट उसकी एक गलती कैसे किसी का विनाश कर सकती है। उनसे बड़ा ज्ञाता नहीं था कोई, उनसे बड़ा धर्म को जानने वाला कोई नहीं था जो रावण के लिए कहा था, उनसे बड़ा भक्त नहीं था, शिव भक्त नहीं था, लेकिन कैसे ज़िंदगी ने एक गलत चीज़ से किया, तो कैसे वो हम लोगों को रोकती है। और हर बच्चे को दिखाना चाहिए कि लाइफ में की हुई एक गलती कैसे आपकी चीज़ें ख़राब कर सकती हैं। तो इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि रामायण को लेके जो एक पर्सपेक्टिव है वो ज़रूर सब बच्चों को एक अच्छे सोच के साथ सीख के लिए आना चाहिए। एक रामायण और एक गीता, सो बिकॉज आफ्टर रामलीला वी हैव दैट थिंग आल्सो इन आवर प्रोजेक्ट कि हम गीता को करने के लिए, लेकिन बट परदेसी
We'll come back to the next episode for that. Yeah.
यस तो हम लोग रामलीला, रामलीला इसलिए मैं हमेशा हर एक को बोलती हूँ कि एक बार रामायण को देखना ज़रूर चाहिए, एक बार समझना जरूर चाहिए, और अगर पढ़ सकते हैं तो उससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं।
और इसका ऊपर से एस्पेक्ट है क्योंकि हमने ये कंट्री में रामलीला देखा ही है।
हाँ, यस,
they celebrated in each and every state, that is one, not even state, but in each and every district like that, that we're doing Ramlila. But उसके ऊपर यह है कि हम ऑल फीमेल रामलीला कर रहे हैं, तो रावण भी एक लड़की
है, यस,
हनुमान भी
एक लड़की है,
exactly. So that is the beauty that we're going to have on. And for the ethic that people, when they want to come for this event, is it Indian wear or people can come whatever they want to wear?
Whatever they are comfortable with it. But if you want to celebrate the Ramlila, come enjoy it in the Indian attire. But it's completely up to you how they want to come and they want to see the things. But I would highly recommend, because it's not like a 6 hours or 7 hours thing. It is, we had made it 1.5 hours within to finish it. So I will really कि हर कोई वक्त पे आए, so that पूरा वो लोग रामायण अच्छे से enjoy कर पाए। And क्योंकि मुझे बताया गया था कि अगस्त बहुत ज़्यादा मैरिज सीजन होता है, एंड इसी वजह से हमने सैटरडे नहीं रखा, हमने फ्राइडे रखा, so that people will wind up their office and then they can come, they can relax and they can see that thing.
नहीं, but even मैरिज का सीजन है तो आजा, तो स्वयंवर ही देख लो है ना, राम और सीता की, तो स्वयंवर भी देख लो, शायद किसी का वो दिखाई जाएगा, है ना, मोटिवेशन आ जाएगा।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
कि आ जाओ। सो दैट्स अ प्रमोशन आल्सो फॉर योर वेडिंग, तो इसलिए आ जा। And so the choreography is done by the SCC dance teacher. You're with 30 students. That's going to be on stage. And it's a collab between ICCR and Siva. And it's free of cost. Nobody needs to pay for a ticket.
No, nothing.
Okay. And this episode is actually that people are going to watch, they are going to see, they are going to think, but मुझे भी करना है. Is there any part, or is there any possibility, like if they see this episode that they maybe call, but हमको भी करना है, is there still a small part for us? Can we do that?
Yes, they can contact Shanita.
That will
because Shanita is also a very active member of Siva, and we highly appreciate your contribution for the association, because it is something the people any association is successful because of its people.
Exactly.
And you taking so much of care and handling the association, it's very nice to
Thank
see.
you, thank
and
you.
at such a young age, she's doing such a fabulous job.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so that if people still want to come in, because it's an open call.
Open call,
Because
yeah.
you're never, Ram Leela is never just, okay, we want this amount of people.
Yes.
It's a Ram Leela.
Leela,
So we need the extended version of it.
Yes.
Or what I can say is, what I can add on ki, most people have seen the Ram Leela. है ना?
Yes.
We had the first Ram Leela, we had a lot people, na? Like more
Yes.
200 tha.
Yeah, more than
More than 200 tha.
हाँ,
But what we
250.
can say कि ये Ram Leela, it's not the same as the first one. It's
Absolutely.
full different, fully
Yes,
different. Dialogues
yes.
different है, costumes different हो,
है.
it's full different.
Yeah, the stage setting is different.
हाँ.
Yeah, and how the things are going to be. राम और सीता तो वही रहते हैं, मतलब स्वयंवर होगा, रावण होगा, ये स्टोरी तो सभी को पता है, but किस तरह डिपिक्ट होगा,
हाँ,
that's entirely in a different way. इस बार हमने बिल्कुल ही उसको अलग किया है. So come for a just to see a new version of a Ram Leela. Even it's a all woman Ram Leela, but आप आइए और उसको enjoy करिए with a very different aspect to see, different way of projecting it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So, thank you. Is there something else you want to add on for the audience that they come and see on 7 August or like an in-call, or do you have a message?
Yes, आप सभी लोग आइए, आप सभी का स्वागत है सीवा की तरफ से on 7th August at 6:30 at Mata Gauri. And please do come with your friends and family. और आप प्लीज़ हमारा फ्लायर शनीता शेयर करेंगी, तो आप उसको आगे भी शेयर करिए, so that the many people, as many people, its program is not only for Indians or Surinamese Indians who are linked. It is for everybody. कोई भी जो भी एक अच्छा सा इवनिंग में एक अच्छी सी चीज़ देखना चाहता है, एक अच्छा सा शो देखना चाहता है, उसको सोच के भी आप आइए और उसको आते हैं. एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर द लैंग्वेज इज डेफिनेटली नॉट गोइंग टू बी द बैरियर. इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ मच अप्रिशिएटेड शो. थैंक यू.
Or what I can add on also is that for the audience to come, is that it's not that कि 1 2 3 हमने सोचा है कि हम एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऐसे डालेंगे, है ना, शिवा का ग्रुप और एक रामलीला करेंगे. It takes a lot of effort to organize something.
Yes.
It's not only the choreographer that is busy with the dance, music या जो भी है. It's also the organization. क्या देंगे लोगों को? Okay, but I need a space that is larger for at least bring 500 people on board for the organization. So hats on to you, ma'am, that you're actually doing this and that you're actually willing, that you're giving people. Because ICCR तो है, स्टूडेंट्स आते ही है वो ICCR में, तो प्रोग्राम्स होते ही रहते हैं ICCR में, but that are organizations that give the opportunity also for ICCR and that collab with ICCR, that they say कि मुझे इनके साथ काम करना है, ये स्टूडेंट्स को मौका दे दो आने के लिए. So thank you for that actually, that you're doing that, because it's not that कि 1 2 3 चलो मैं रामलीला करूँगी, तुम लोग देख लो. No, you're involved in it, and that makes it actually that the organization is keep growing. And that's why I say it's not that we're just calling people to see the Ramlila, but it's also to support one, the organization, and second, the students that are there that are actually willing to participate, the parents that are bringing the students, the choreographer, the teacher of SVCC that she's making the choreography, late nights with all students. So for that support, I'm inviting each and everyone to come on 7 August. It's fully different. It's all female Ram Leela. So ma'am, thank you so much. We wish you all the best for 7 August. And I will be there for sure.
For sure.
And all of this Trishul will be there as well to support you in each and every way.
Thank you. Thank you, Shanita, for having me. And I really hope to see your family and friends and everybody. And thank you, Trishul, for having me here.
Yes. And I have one more last question, and that is because the program, to translate Zeg het maar, to just say it, is actually a program to motivate youngers to become something in the society.
Yes.
When they are behind their phone, not just to play games, but what type of games are you playing?
Yes.
It's not that just go for information, educate yourself.
Yes.
And that is why I'm bringing people on the seat next to me, just to show them that it wasn't easy for you. You said it in the beginning.
Yes.
कि मैंने डेंटिस्ट से शुरू किया था, but before becoming the dentist, आप स्कूल में भी थी.
Yes.
So you saw that journey,
Yes.
है ना? The same as us. We are going to school, we are working, and look where I'm sitting today. And that is what we're giving people, the motivation ki don't lose hope.
Yes.
The mentality that is there, just try to overcome that and become somebody in the society. That you're today here.
Yeah.
It's not 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
You saw your days where it was difficult.
Absolutely.
But you're coming today as a spouse of a diplomat,
Yes.
but then organizing and then having an organization called the Surinamese Indian Women Association. Why you did that?
Yes.
Why I wanted to organize this? Why I wanted to set up this organization? You had that idea in your mind.
Absolutely.
But that is because you had that already. है ना? So, do you have a message for these youngers and the people that are watching this show that put yourself out there? है ना? Do you have a
Yes.
message for them?
यस मैं हमेशा बोलना चाहूँगी कि कभी भी आपका सक्सेस जो है ना, ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप गर्ल हैं इसलिए आप नहीं कर सकती हैं. ये कभी भी सोच के नहीं करना कि शायद मैं ये कर लूँगी तो ये मिलेगा. नहीं, हमेशा जिसमें हैं आप उसमें बेस्ट करिएगा. मे बी द सर्कमस्टांसेस आर डिफरेंट, मे बी उस आपका एनवायरनमेंट उस वक्त के लिए डिफरेंट है, बट आई रियली होप कि जो भी गर्ल या फीमेल इसको देख रही हैं, आप जहाँ पे भी हैं आप उससे हमेशा बेहतर हो सकते हैं. कीप अ वन डे एट अ टाइम. आज मुझे अपने कल से बेहतर करना है. इस चीज़ को आप फॉलो करेंगे तो आई एम वेरी श्योर कि इन अ लॉन्ग रन आप 1 साल बाद में बहुत बहुत बेटर होंगी.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
And see you at 7 August.
7th August. 7th
Yes.
August तो आप सभी से मुलाकात
Yeah.
होगी. And please do come और enjoy करिए. All the participants are putting their 100% or more than 100% to make this successful. So it would be the best अगर आप लोग आके उनको appreciate करेंगे.
Thank you. Wij zijn aan het eind gekomen van ons Stayman-programma Zeg het maar. U heeft het allemaal gehoord van mevrouw Ruchi Gupta, wat er allemaal in petto staat voor de all-female Ramlila en wat zij allemaal zullen doen en waarom all-female. Nou, ik nodig jullie allemaal uit op 7 augustus om natuurlijk te komen bij Matagauri en deze show te ondersteunen. Want het is een leuke show, het is een all-female cast en wat wij allemaal presenteren zullen jullie zelf zien. Het is gratis, dus kom en geniet. Mijn naam is Shanita Bagwandin. Ik ben jullie presentatrice geweest voor deze aflevering. En ik zie jullie tot de volgende keer.